This is Brian Jepson with Providence Geeks. I'm here with Pam O'Hara of BatchBlue, who just gave a great talk here at the Providence Geek Dinner. Pam, in a sentence or two, tell us what BatchBlue is all about.
We are a just launching web development company. We have put together a software product for small businesses, really based around their data management needs. Our first product is going to help them manage their contacts and networks. It's called BatchBook, and we're going into beta release next week, the end of May. And so we came to Geeks tonight to help get some beta users to help us build a really user-friendly product.
Awesome, and I see that one of the features you have right out of the gate is a mailing label manager, and one of the first databases I ever built was a mailing label manager for my father's theater. Now, one of the things that I gather is that you also want to make it real possible for people to expand things, to find their own data, so talk a little bit about that.
Well, that was what really started the whole project. Was we were working with some small businesses who needed a customer relationship management system, but the data management needs they had around their customers was different than some of the typical products out there. They didn't just need names and addresses. They needed to know, what languages their customers spoke, or what their preferences in some type of hair color was, or all these different types of things. And there was no way for them to capture that except maybe a memo field at the bottom of a form. So we really want to help them not only add sort of custom data, but build relationships within that data. If they need to know not only what languages, but what countries people are coming from, and whether their family members are speaking the same languages, that type of thing. So what we've built, and we really started the whole project coming from the back end. We started the whole thing building out the database. How can we build something that's flexible enough that all these different types of small businesses can tailor it to their custom needs? Now we're really fine-tuning the interface so that people can understand how to build these complex systems.
Well, that's very cool. So what sort of things should people be looking for you in the coming months?
Well, we're doing beta release next week, which is the end of May, and then we're going into what we're calling a stealth beta, which means we're really working closely. We've got an incubator program already underway. We've got about 5 businesses that we've already targeted, small businesses, non-technical businesses. We set up their system for them. We imported all their data for them, and we are just sitting and watching them over their shoulder to see how they're using it, what their unique data needs are, and we're doing all that customization for them on the back end. And now we're getting their help building the interface for it, building something that someone who doesn't have our store of knowledge about data management, data modeling, clean data, how someone who doesn't want to think about all of that can just throw together, click a few buttons and build something that's going to be useful long down the road. So
Very cool. And if people want to find out some more information, where do they go?
www.batchblue.com. That's our website. We've got information about our company, who we are, why we're doing this, and you can sign up for our user group. We call our user group Blue by You because we want people to help us build, not only this first product, but a company that can really honestly listen to the people using the products and use their feedback. So thanks.
Well, thanks very much, Pam, and thanks for talking with us tonight.
Thank you so much. This was great.